Welcome back to the Ostellus.schule tutorial. Now that we've created our first module, let's go through how to edit the intro slide. Remember that you can see a demo of the complete Cold War module by following the link. In the previous video, we saw that the introduction slide was already created for us. Click on the Modify button to enter edit mode. Firstly, you'll be asked to select a date. Since our topic is the Cold War, let's navigate through the pop-up and select the 1st of January 1960. Click OK, and notice how the world map changed to match the different country borders in 1960 compared to today. As you navigate through the map, you can zoom in and out and move your center point of view. As you can see, all countries on the map have the same color by default. Since NATO and the Warsaw Pact were the two opposing forces during the Cold War, it would be nice to highlight their member states differently. Click on the top left button and press Visualize a Union. The drop-down shows all existing unions on the selected date, which in our case is the 1st of January 1960. Click on NATO and notice it already has a default color. You have the ability to change it, but let's stick with it for now and click OK. You can see how all member states of NATO in January 1960 are now marked in blue. Now, let's follow the same steps and select the Warsaw Pact. Now that we have modified the display of our map, let's set the title and the subtitle for our introduction slide. The tab menu option selected on the right-hand side is Text, and this is where we enter the title and subtitle. By default, the intro title is the same as the module title, Cold War. Let's leave it as it is. Next, type a description in the subtitle text area. This is a rich text editor, and we can also add bold or italic styling to make some phrases stand out. You have the option to change the font or text alignment as well. Let's go through the other two tabs in the editor. The Date and Map tab allows you to modify the date, center point, and zoom level. The last two will change dynamically as you navigate through the map. There is also a section where all highlighted entities are displayed. You can clear them by clicking on the cross icons. Let's now click on the third remaining tab and add an image to our introduction slide. This is the image selector menu. You can add an image in one of the three ways: copy an external web link, import a file from your local device, or via the Ostellus gallery. The Ostellus gallery is not available in the beta version. It will let you pick from a wide selection of historical images and photos from different archive sources. Let's paste a link from Wikipedia pointing to a photo of Berlin in 1961. Double check that the title, source, and attribution values are correct, and click OK. We have now imported an image, added color markings on the map, and set a title and subtitle. Our introduction slide will be complete after clicking on the Save button. Let's go back to the module overview screen. You will notice that your username will now appear in the author section on the top right-hand side. All modules on the Ostellus.schule are under the Creative Commons license. You have now edited your intro slide. In the next video, we will show you how to create and edit your first slide.